Good morning, everyone. My name is C. Dinesh Kothari. I am a practicing chartered accountant from Surat. Today, we will look at how AI and automation tools can help in day-to-day tasks of CA students and articles. So, we will be having a two case studies where we will use a custom GPT, which will be acting as a GST guru for CA students. In most of the cases, students and articles don't have access to all the resources which are required for their day-to-day training and practical exposure. CA GPT version is only available to the members of the fraternity. So, in order to ask certain questions, they always use the normal GPT ones, which will give weird answers out of nowhere. So, it's better if we make a custom GPT where we will upload all the resources from the ICAI and we will use that resources only for our guidance. So here we will look how we can make the custom GPT. So in GPTs, we can create, if we can find custom GPTs. In custom GPTs, there are my GPTs, which I have already maintained. So I will configure it as a GST group for CA students. In the instructions, I will clearly write what I need and what I expect from it. So it is an AI assistant for students and articles, strictly based on official material from ICAI. So again, it will focus exclusively on GST matters. It will not go to any other matters if asked. In case of query, it will ask ask for clarifications, and if there is any contradiction, it will cite the latest CBIC guidelines, and it shall maintain the professional, polite, and teaching-oriented tone, and it will used to deliver trustworthy, up-to-date GST knowledge. So if I am a CA article and my boss has given me certain work, so I can ask my custom GPT that what could be the possible solution. I will also show how in normal GPT the answer might be different because it has not been trained in the way which we want. We have given all the citations over here, the background material on GST, which are official from the ICAI sources. So we will proceed with the first prompt. My client want to start with a kirana shop. It will give me the answer as per my requirements, that what is the purpose, what are the procedures, and what is the final. So it will check the registration and applicability. So after that, it will check the relevant provisions of the act. Again, practical implications, what can be done and what cannot be done, and conclusion. If this shop is in normal turnover, registration is optional. It is asking registration is optional. And if this shop is in special category, registration is compulsory. For small shop, composition scheme is better. And for B2, large B2B sales, you can go for regular scheme. If I ask the same question to my normal GPT, it is not in paid version. So it is always start with the GST composition scheme, the regular GST scheme, and which one is better. It will not say that registration was not mandatory. It will directly start with composition scheme is better and regular scheme is better. So in the normal GPT ones, it will not say that registration was not mandatory. But if we have made a custom GPT, then it will always say that as per the sources provided by the ICAI, registration was not mandatory, and even if you want, then this can happen. If we ask that what are the long-term capital gain rates, we can directly ask him, see what we will get as an answer to our custom GPT. I can guide only for the GST and indirect tax matters. Please reframe your query accordingly. It will not give any answer apart from GST. If I want to ask that I want to buy a new car and what is GST rate on new cars, so it will directly. So suppose a client asks me that I want to purchase a car, can I get a credit on it or not? So it will check registration and applicability if I am a GST person or not. For relevant provision, it will cite, it will give me the citation of the particular guidance note. Then input tax credit is blocked under section 17.5. What will be practical implication if you buy a car, own GST not available, you have to bear full cost. And conclusion, 28% plus cess depending on your car type, not available in most cases unless businesses of car dealership, taxi services, and driving training. So this was our first presentation where we saw how custom GPT can help in our day-to-day life. Now we will move to category 2, which is vibe coding with the help of VBA. We will use VBA Excel macros for bank statement summary. So in this, we will Go to our category B. Here I am having a sample bank statement of Bank of Baroda, which is a raw data. I will ask write a VBA macro for Excel that processes bank statement into, it will insert a new row. It will classify the transaction in a narration form. It will sort from A to Z, ascending order, dates. It will add a custom narration. It will sum up the values and create a pivot table. For that, I have given him the instructions that you have to create a column B where INT paid will be written as interest on saving bank account. If ACH is there, then it refers to an installment on loan account. If there are multiple loans, then it will be loan installment 1, loan installment 2. If ATM cash is there, then it's cash withdrawal. CDAR is there, then it's a cash deposit, and so on. So I have given him all the instructions. If there is UPI, then it will sort the name as per UPI. So as soon as I have given him the same thing, it has provided me with a code. The code is ready-made with me. So I will use this code. This code has been generated by Chat GPT only. This is a sample Bank of Baroda file. Here I will press F11, alter F11. Here I will insert a module where I will paste the code. I will press Ctrl S to save it. As soon as I save it, it will show me this code, and I have to close it. Then I will press F, alter F8. Then it will show me process Bank of Baroda. I will have to run the query. As soon as I will run the query, the code will run in the background, and we will get all the things in form of custom narration. So it has been selected as bank charges. Cash deposit has been narrated as per the instructions given. Check deposits, interest income, all these entries are. And also it has given me a summary pivot where I will get a directly ready-made format of how much amount I have been received through UPI payments, UPI receipts, and if there is any question, then it will treat it as uncategorized or suspense account. Installment 1, 2, 3, 4, interest income, check receipt. This will help in processing the bank statement, which takes a lot of time because this bank statement has more than 342, 343 rows. And it is difficult in the season of ITR in June and July to process such big data for creating ITR returns or making ITR returns. So this is VBA code. This VBA code can be generated with the help of Chat GPT. This is the prompt which you have to be specific in the prompt to be given. I have given a perfect prompt which will give me a code in like this form. So now we will look how this can help. So Cree learning is custom GPT helps to reduce time, provide complete knowledge without any hallucination. We saw that in our normal case, it showed if turnover is 22 lakhs, registration is not required. In normal GPT, it showed that registration is required for composition scheme than regular scheme. VBA will automatically, for now onwards, if I have a Bank of Baroda statement, I can use that VBA code, and every time it will give me a summary in less than 30 seconds. AI will help me to develop models and without learning complex languages. See, I can use Chat GPT with certain given specific prompts, and it will give me a code. So I don't need to learn a coding language for that. Practical relevance, it will help in the article for working for reconciliation, GST reminders, and bank statement analyzing. It helps to focus on quality time rather than doing the manual work of analyzing the statements again and again. It will give an edge, technical edge in day-to-day work and activities. This was my demonstration on AI and VBA, which will be used for chartered accountants and articles. Thank you so much.